Doing some washing machine maintenance on the filter. Got some stuff coming out.
Right, so the doorbell, it's been broken for a while. Let's see what we can do about that. Right, so I just installed this new doorbell. You press it, and then on the inside, if I follow you through, when you press the button, it will then send an alarm to this one here, so we can now all hear it again. Also, just put a little label and sign here for the instructions for the doorbell and the key to access the battery. Right, so another issue I have found is that when I do cut the sockets, it is like this, with this orientation, and then to then get them to fit into the PCB socket place, I've got to turn my hand this way or this way to line them up and put them in. It's a bit of a struggle, so let's see what we can do about that. Right, so the first idea I did have was to turn the machine so it orientates this way, but when you're trying to pick up the stuff now, you're struggling to line them up. That's really like this. You're trying to line them up into certain holes, and it's a bit harder. It was easier the other way around. So what I then came up with was to have the machine the correct way around and actually turn the PCB board this way. It's not normally where we would do it, but once the whole machine is turned around, you then pick in the part or the socket how you should, the same orientation, and then go straight in. There you go. So I'll make a little bit of a sign, bit of a guidance to say this is the most easiest way to do it and efficient. But yeah, thank you.
That's the before video of the powder coating area. So that you get your trays. And that's how it looks just now. We have the new setup for the powder coating area. We have the tubes and the shelving now. We have the booth with the acrylic on. Looks nice. Trays on the shelving, and the shelves have been moved, reducing the transportation every time we get to pick parts. Looking quite nice. Still on the improvement though, we still have a lot to do. Just move that and add the board like that. Quite nice.